Welcome back to Unlocked. Today we're diving into an intercom system built to make life easier for installers. This is the Intratone Only One, a video GSM-based intercom system for buildings with 10 or less properties. It's designed to reduce internal cabling while still providing secured wired control of the lock release at the entrance. It's off the shelf ready, and in the box you'll find the IP54 rated panel ready for power and lock release wiring. The best part, it comes with a 15-year 4G data plan, meaning no ongoing fees whatsoever for the kit or the portal. There's no internal handsets required or property cabling. It's a truly non-intrusive solution. Another thing installers love about this product is there's no need to mount two boxes on the wall, as the GSM unit is baked right into the main body of the Only One. Once installed, visitors can select a number and make an audio or video call to the free Intratone app, letting residents see and speak to who's at the door before granting access, all managed through the GSM network. And there's a backlit keypad supporting up to 40 entry codes and an RFID reader that manages up to 3,000 fobs or cards. Each unit comes supplied with 20 black key fobs, but they are available to buy in up to 10 different colours, which is ideal for managing multiple user groups. For property managers and installers, the secure online portal is where this really shines. You can update user details and manage fobs, even check event logs remotely, cutting down on site visits for simple updates or lost fob replacements. The anthracite housing is IP54 rated, and it's built to withstand weather and heavy use. It's perfect for outdoor gates, communal entrances, or office buildings with multiple contact points per button. Users will never miss a visitor, no matter where they are. While calls go wirelessly over GSM, the unit only needs to be hardwired for power. This makes it perfect for retrofits or new installations where you want modern control without running cables into each property. So a quick recap then. Video GSM and audio calling via the app or the phone. No in-property cabling or handsets required. Remote management via the online portal. 15-year 4G data plan included, meaning no ongoing costs. Vandal-resistant IP54 anthracite housing, and it has a keypad and RFID access built in. For more information on the Intratone Only One, get in touch with our dedicated access control team. Give them a call on 0203 007 6061 for more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode of Unlocked. See you next time.